Downloading or installing Teamviewer on your PC or laptop is a simple process. Teamviewer is a popular software for remote desktop access, allowing you to connect to other computers for troubleshooting, support, or collaboration. So here's a step-by-step guide. Open any web browser and in the search address bar search for the Teamviewer. Then tap on the Teamviewer website, and once you're inside the official website of Teamviewer, you can see free download option available at the top of the page. Now you will be redirected to the download section after tapping on it. Now you will get to see three options available on your screen: free, and two of them are paid versions. So we are guiding you for the free version, so simply tap on the free versions. So here you can simply choose your PC type. If you are using Windows, then tap on the Windows. If you are choosing Mac OS, then tap on the Mac OS. And all you have to do is click on the download button to begin downloading the Teamviewer installer for your operating system. Now the file will be saved in your downloads folder, and once the download is complete, you can run the installer. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.